This is my attack dog. Her name is Sadie. She's a Belgian Mauler. She's been trained. She was trained in Switzerland as a puppy. Excuse the mess we're moving. But she was trained in Switzerland as a puppy. She's been known. We had a break-in last time a couple months ago. And the guy, we pretty much found him, his body shredded all over our house. It was a pretty nasty sight. Sadie, hey. She's actually been trained to attack on command. She won't attack me, but she'll show some aggression. Sadie, attack! Attack! Come on! Attack! Come on! Kill! 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 Up! Come on! Kill! Attack! Sadie, attack! Please? Come on! Attack! Come here! Come here! Come here! That's it, huh? Sadie. Attack? Okay. I'll try again tomorrow.